Much quieter weather picture right now as we work our way through our Friday. Yesterday we saw the changes going on. The thick haze and the wildfire smell all left early in the day, and then we had that beautiful sunshine in the afternoon, even a couple of spotty showers. Here's time lapse from last evening. This is our Lewis Auto camera looking to the west. Some sun, some clouds, a couple of spotty showers. Overall, a warm and humid Thursday. We reach 84 for a high temperature officially at the Rochester International Airport. We'll do even more than that today, on our way to the upper 80s, maybe even low 90s. There is a cold front approaching. Not a lot of really cool air behind that front, but there is some lift with that front. A little moisture ahead of it pooling into the region, and that will set the stage for maybe some thunderstorms. Activity to the west already in the Dakotas that will sweep eastward and reach us late tonight with a chance of rain. Right now the weather patio just outside the studio at 71. A little sunshine showing up. We had just until moments ago bright moonlight and nearly full moon. It will be a full moon later tonight. We'll get a chance to check that out before those thunderstorms arrive, I think, at this point as they arrive from the northwest. 68 right now in Rochester at the airport officially, 71 in Plainview, 68 in Austin, and 63 in Mason City on the Iowa side of the border. Light south breeze stirring things up a little bit. You feel just a little bit of that breeze, not a lot of wind, but helps a little bit because it does feel very muggy out there at this hour. 68 the temperature, 66 the dew point. Air pressure is falling, and so we are talking about the full moon, and we get a chance to check that out this evening. Moonrise at 9 o'clock sharp. Full illumination at 9:36, so it'll be officially 100% full moon at 9:36. It's all the buck moon, and I suppose that's appropriate. The Bucks won the championship this week for Milwaukee, and it's also known as the thunder moon. Appropriate because we have that coming up later tonight, and also another term, the hay moon, and partly cloudy, 83 at moonrise at 9 o'clock. A couple thin clouds in place already. We have some thunderstorms in the northwest ahead of that approaching cold front. That's going to be the focus of those rain chances moving through tonight. As the severe weather risk goes, midnight to about 7 a.m., slight chance of maybe a couple of strong storms edging their way in for the northwest. The lion's share of the severe activity northwest of us, we see just a few remnant storms come in after midnight. So very small chance we would see any severe weather, but scattered storm chances midnight until about 7, 8 a.m. tomorrow. So mainly an overnight event, basically, and that's our rain chance for this weekend. And aside from that, we're looking at just a lot of warm sunshine. 68 in Rochester, 67 right now in International Falls, 73 already in Lincoln. You throw in that mugginess, dew points mid-60s, upper 60s, even some low 70s on the map already. That's pretty rich humidity. Fargo in that range, and 71 also in the low 70s for Chicago. Warm and humid today. Some thunderstorm chances late tonight, and then just otherwise hot, steamy sunshine for the next couple of days. Morning commute, some sun, some passing clouds, a light south breeze. 70 from 70 would make our way to the low 80s. In fact, mid 80s by lunchtime. 88 around 3 o'clock. A high temperature today of 89. You factor in the heat index or the mugginess, and it does feel like it's going to feel like about 95 when you factor that in. So very warm and humid day, and kind of an uncomfortable one. One of those seek out the pool type things, and maybe some lemonade, something like that, and some shade. A bit of a south breeze around 10 to 15 miles per hour. A chance of thunderstorms mainly after midnight tonight until about sunrise tomorrow. The storms push southward. Weak cold front moving through again. Not a lot of cool air behind that front, certainly not initially. And going into the latter part of tomorrow, humidity starts easing down just a little bit heading into Sunday. So not quite as scorching, but still very warm and just a little muggy still for the tail end of the weekend. More storm chances come in next week. A couple isolated storms Tuesday. Better chance by next Wednesday, and those represent really the only rain chances the next 7 to 10 days. Those three opportunities. Temperatures close to 90 for the next several days, way above average. 80 would be the climate average. We're going to be almost 10 degrees better than that today. 90 in Albert Lea, Rochester 89, 90 in Charles City, and 91 in Manly, Iowa. The south winds around 15 miles per hour, and the heat index 95 this afternoon. Thunderstorms likely late tonight, partly cloudy otherwise. 71, 7-day forecast. Temperatures right around 90 through the weekend and staying in that 90-degree range for next week as well.
Kind of heat you just want to order in pizza and leave the oven off.
Watch the Olympics and the air conditioning out.
There you go. What a great plan.